Okay guys, this is Melissa fighting with the goat. They're playing. It's okay, but the goat's freaking strong. Kristen laughing. What's the goat's name?
Hannah.
Hannah, okay. Fight that goat, Melissa.
She's getting her ass kicked.
Some cinematography right here.
She's cute, alright.
Hands versus horns.
Oh, that one looked like it hurt.
This is what people from the country do.
Not all of us.
Battle goats.
Not my head.
She'll go get you from the ass. She will. This is the most workout she's gotten.
She's grabbing her by the horns and pushing.
Oh, hi, Hannah.
Watch out, she will pull backwards.